Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Hakom gani kapor baka Sorkar kala penjari da kejingkang dam hari India berokawai na kabenta benyada yaki pajba nongsusnong na kejing sapriang ukunyang jingpang COVID-19. Henry ka Sorkar Meghalaya kalala pen Pyllait Pisa hadu laispa kan reu point rupo Klur tingka lengba ki office jongki deputy commissioner bat ki office jongki block development officer jongki district baperoper hakani ke jela na kabenta ban Siew ke Bainong jongki Nongbylla job card ki ba imbalasngi hak scheme Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme usembot menteri rangba ke jela uba prestun tensong haka jingran bat kinong pathai kubor ke jela ulai thu maka Sorkar kala dap Pyllait ru hadu arspa kat pra point nriu Klur tingka na kabenta ban Siew ki bai thiet iki tiar kitar da kajing Pyllait jong ka Sorkar ikani ka Pisa kala yarap hadu kata-kata yaki sanlak saupusan hajar teli kilong yeng ki balayo kamai marsau hajar sanspa tingka shiyeng ban thiet iki marbam kat ba ka jela kadang dan hapedeng ka jingkhang kherdap ka bandang peteng hadu ka khatsau trek menta benayayong arajar arpo.
Cabinet has already decided that the workers who registered under the Mgnregs Building and Other Construction Workers Act, they are entitled to weekly payment of rupees 1,000. Okay, 1,000 rupees per week. Let me just tell you, we have already released this amount on the 7th April 2020 for 22,826 workers or laborers. 22,826 workers. Then again, I have already instructed the department to again release the balance amount of 2,000 rupees, means up to 14 of this month. 14 of this month, because the lockdown, national lockdown is up to 14. By 11 April 2020, this amount has to be transferred again to these people. 22,826 people or household. Government has decided to again reach out to the poor people, poor families who does not belongs to job card holders, who does not belong to registered workers. As I've already explained to you, petty business, daily business man, woman, whatever. So we decided that 700 rupees per week to each family be given. And I would like to tell you, because yesterday was 8, because we extended up to 8 of this month for registration. We receive till today, because some BDOs, some DCs, they are yet to send to us the details. But till today, we have received not less than 98,000 applications we receive. But of course, some more BDOs are yet to send the applications of the beneficiaries, which I personally feel that it may reach out to not less than 1,10,000 or 1,20,000. Okay. Then now these application, whatever we receive, I've instructed my department, labor department, to upload it in the database so that we know who's who. Because sometimes, some people may be reflected 2 times or 3 times by mistake. It may happen that way. So they'll do their job. So hopefully by next week, we will be able to finalize everything. And then again, this scheme, Chief Minister's relief schemes, which I've already told you, Lati, will be implemented. Okay? We are going to implement it because decision has been taken by the government. So I'm sure with this initiative taken by the government, people of Meghalaya should be happy. They should be happy. The only thing I would like to request all the citizens of Meghalaya, kindly keep praying the government, kindly keep praying the officers. Day and night, they don't care about their health, about their food. They really work hard. Right from the secretariat level up to the BDO level, up to the block level, they really work tirelessly. Tirelessly they work. So through you, I would request all the citizens of Meghalaya, kindly keep praying the government machinery, keep praying the cabinet as a whole, so that we get the wisdom guided by the Almighty.